So for this tutorial, there are instances where we have a list of people or a whole load of data that we need to go through, but as we are going through the data, like we will actually want to be seeing the title, or what is, yes, more of a title or subtitle of what our data is all about. Like as you are scrolling up, because the data is becoming too much, like let's say for instance, you understand, this very first row disappears because we've scrolled down. So we're trying to, this particular tutorial is to put you through on how you can scroll through your worksheet and at the same time view the first row or a particular set of rows in your, what do you call it, in your worksheet as you scroll down. Like more like you are going to fix it, or you are going to, what I call it, freeze it. So let's do this. You first highlight, and then you go to view, and then you click on freeze panes. So there are different options. Freeze panes, keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls based on current selection. Freeze top row, like as this is the top row, of course, and it's the same thing as the selection. Freeze top row, keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. Freeze first column. So whatever it is, if you want to do it based on your own selection, you click the first one. If you want to freeze just your top row, you click the second one. And then if you want to freeze a column, that's it. So now let's freeze the top row visible while scrolling through the rest. So let's see if I can. Sorry. So if, as you can see, this is row 281, but our title or our first row is still fixed where it is. So that's just it. Thank you. Thank you.